Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second lecture of soil microbiology lecture series. In this lecture we will discuss about the composition of soil. So what is the composition of the soil? What are the different components of soil? A typical soil is composed of 5 different components such as minerals, organic matter, water, air and living population. Now minerals. Minerals are the largest component of a typical soil and consist of 45% of the total soil volume. Minerals include aluminum, iron, calcium, magnesium, sodium, phosphorus and silicon dioxide. Organic matter. Organic matter is the basic component of a soil and consists of approximately 4 to 5% of the total soil volume. Organic matter mostly found in the form of humus. Water. Water is found beneath soil particles. Water can make approximately 25% of the soil volume. Water is very essential for transporting nutrients and highly important for biological and chemical decomposition process. Air. Air consists of approximately 25% of the total soil volume. Air carries different gases in soil such as carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen is needed for microbial respiration. Carbon dioxide is essential for plant functions and nitrogen is important for nitrogen fixing bacteria in soil. Living population. Living population in soil consists of different living organisms such as earthworms, nematodes and large numbers of microorganisms including bacteria, actinomycetes and fungi. Living population makes up only 1% of the total soil volume. Among the living population, microorganisms are very essential for the decomposition of organic matter in soil. Minerals in different soils. The most common minerals found in soil are iron, potassium, magnesium, calcium and sulfur. However, some major minerals found in some soils of USA are kaolinite, montmorillonite and illite. Soil particles and their size, such as clay, it consists of 0.002 mm in size, silt 0.0022 to 0.02 mm, fine sand 0.02 to 0.2 mm, coarse sand 0.2 to 2 mm, fine gravel 2 mm. Soil less than 40% clay may be classified as sandy soil. Physical characteristics of soil. Number 1, texture means appearance or consistency of soil. The combination of mineral fractions and organic matter fraction gives soil its appearance or consistency. Number 2, color. Soil color can show the concentration of different organic matter, the parent material and weathering of the soil. The red color soils are due to the presence of iron phosphorus. Black color soils are due to the high concentration of organic matter in the form of humus. Some soils are in dark brown color due to the rich in different organic matter. Some soils are in yellow color and this yellow color is due to moist conditions and less weathering including restrictive drainage. Number 3, soil depth. Soil depth or thickness is a critical attribute of any soil. The depth determines rooting, moisture and nutrient storage. Depth of soil differs greatly for different soil types. Number 4. Soil structure. Single particles when assembled appear as larger particles and these are called as aggregates. The aggregation of soil particles can occur in different patterns resulting in different soil structures. Soil structure is assembling of individual particles of sand, silt and clay. Number 5. Porosity, space between the particles. Pore spaces facilitate the availability and movement of air or water within the soil environment. Soil porosity is the gap between solid particles which contains water and air.